You ever notice that the car dealerships complaining most about not having any used car inventory are those same ones that have no new car inventory? That's not a coincidence. You see, when new car sales stop, so do trade-ins. Then the only way for dealerships to get used cars are from wholesalers and the auto auction, where you go to get cars by bidding more than anyone else. Can't save any money buying cars at an auction. Well, Sunset Ford of Sumner isn't going to any auctions because they still have lots of new Fords and are exceeding even Ford's lofty sales objectives, more than any other Ford dealer around, and that means lots of clean local trades. In fact, Sunset has over 500 used vehicles in stock every single day, and most include warranty protection for life that could save you thousands down the road. Inventory's no problem at Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410, just down the hill from Bonney Lake.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
And people do like that.